Hi guys. So today what I'm bringing to you is an amazing deal. As you can see from the screen. So one thing I wanted to throw out there starting off is I currently have the Platinum card. I do have the American Express Platinum card. So when I went to the website, um, American Express already recognizes you as having the card, so it doesn't post any kind of promotions they have since you already have the card. So I went on incognito mode on my browser, as you can see, incognito mode, and this is what I found. American Express right now is offering an unprecedented, in my opinion, I've never seen a sign up bonus this large in the history of credit cards, 150 membership reward points. And again, and unbelievably, the ask of this is you spend $6,000 on purchases in your first 6 months of card membership. Unbelievable. That is an average of $1,000 a month. If you are averaging about $1,000 a month, the first 6 months of card membership, you get 150,000 membership reward points. If you value each membership reward point at $2, that's a value of $3,000 right there, totally for free. This is unprecedented, and I think if you do not have a platinum card, you might want to consider getting one because the value is unbelievable. I did do a video about how you can use your membership reward points from American Express on Delta domestic deals, including Hawaii. You can use those points for dirt cheap. We're talking some of them round trips for less than 7,000 miles. And again, Delta miles from American Express reward points transfer at a 1-to-1 value. So if you decided to use all your American Express reward points for Delta, you would have 150,000 Delta miles. You could literally take 20 to 20 plus trips free, domestic trips that is, using these special Delta deals. You can go to Vegas, you can go to Hawaii, you can go to LA. Unbelievable. And those are round trip values at that. And so now one of the things again, the annual fee is going to be $695. That's an increase. I know it used to be $550, but then again, if you're thinking about all the value you're getting, again, you guys already know that the American Express Platinum is probably one of my favorite cards, even though it has such a high um, annual fee. The reason being is, one of the things that I do with my American Express card, Platinum card, is I travel quite a bit. So I use it, and I travel on Delta quite a bit actually. So one of the great values is those Delta lounges. And those Delta lounges are quite amazing actually. If you, around the country, so those with an American Express Platinum card, you get access to a Delta lounge free of charge. And those Delta lounges do not sleep on Delta lounges. I'm gonna probably do a video on Delta lounges, and do not sleep on those. They are one of the best ones, in my opinion. I've been to the Centurion Lounge. I haven't been to many Centurion. I've only been to one Centurion Lounge, and that was in Houston, Texas. And immediately I get there, it's like you have to wait. I had to wait a good 10 minutes or 15 minutes before I could get seated. And honestly, the lounge was not very. I wasn't impressed. It was average. The one benefit I will say of the Centurion Lounge is that the servers actually provide you. They wait on you and bring stuff to you, which you wouldn't find at a Delta Lounge. Delta Lounge, you go out there and you get your stuff. But that's really not a value that I would sacrifice a Delta Lounge for, a Centurion Lounge for, quite frankly. But guys, this is an unbelievable deal. And I will tell you this: when I first got my Platinum card, the offer on the table at the time was 60,000 MR points. 60,000. That's what I got. 60,000. You can imagine. Look at this right now, 150,000. It is crazy. So if you love to travel, if you can afford it, this is the deal for you. Again, one of the things about the Platinum card is it comes with so many perks. You get a hotel credit, which I was able to use last year. You get an entertainment credit, which is great and useful in many ways. The lounges, that's one of the things I talked about here. The airline credit, for me is not the most useful, quite frankly. I ended up actually not using most of it last year, but I did use the lounge perk. The entertainment credit is awesome. The hotel credit, I was able to use that as well. So, and again, you're getting points every purchase. For every purchase, you get points. So these are just some of the great things about the Platinum card that you do not want to miss out. You do not want to miss out on this. If you have the wherewithal to do it, I would say go for it. Again, if you go in incognito mode, you might be able to do it on your browser without having to go in incognito mode, because it might just be, since you don't have the card, you might just get it right off the bat. But if you're not seeing the 150, get on incognito mode and take advantage of this if you can, because this is a game changer. Will revolutionize your travel. Again, if you love to travel, if you love to do business class travel as well, I think this would be huge, because again, you can transfer to partners like Qatar Airways and Emirates and things like that and get some amazing deals. I believe it's just the Emirates that you can actually transfer to, but you will get such amazing value out of these points. So again, you guys, this is something I had to bring to you. If you love it, please like this video, um, subscribe. More to come as we get these amazing deals. These videos will come through. Have a great one, folks.